Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the Mureka AI tutorial and review. First, open Google Chrome and search for Mureka AI. Then, click on the official link to open the website. Now, make sure you log in into your account. Here, you can choose to either upload your vocal audio or let the AI generate vocals for you. This feature saves time and is great for people who don't sing but still want to make songs. Next, type your lyrics or ideas into the text box. After that, look to the left side where you'll see options like song, instrumental, audio edit, and library. Then, click on library to view the music and projects you've already created. This helps you keep all your content organized. Now, click on credits to check how many credits you have. These credits are used to generate songs or vocals, so it's helpful to track your usage. Then, go to the subscribe section. Here, you'll see two plans, the basic plan for $8 and the pro plan for $24. You can check the features of both and choose the one that fits your needs. The pro plan offers more tools and better quality, which is useful if you're making music regularly. After that, click on Create from the left-hand menu. In the pop section, you'll find different music ideas ready to use. Click on any idea you like and then click Create. This is perfect for beginners because it gives you a starting point instead of starting from scratch. Now, your song will be generated. You can play it and listen to how it sounds. If you're happy with it, you can publish it. Then, click on the three dots next to the song. Here, you'll find more options like region editing, extend, trim, download video, and more. These features help you edit the music exactly how you want. Next, click on Advanced. Here, you can enter your song title and click Write About to add a short description. Now, enter your lyrics in the box to complete your song. By using Mureka AI, you can create songs easily without needing professional music skills. It saves time, gives creative ideas, and lets you produce full song even if you're a beginner. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.